Hello, welcome to today's video. Today, let's learn about transport. I told you to revise the chapters. If you have the book, you can revise it. So, the transport, today's topic, transport. We can walk to nearby places, but to go far off places, we need a vehicle. Vehicle is a mode of transport. When we have to move within our cities, we use vehicles such as bicycle, scooter, bike, car, rickshaw, auto and train. Bicycle, scooter, bike, car, rickshaw, auto and train. When we have to move from one city to another, we use the following vehicles: train, boat, aeroplane, bus, etc. Bus and boat. Okay, train, bus, boat. When we have to move from one country to other, we use ship or aeroplane. Movement of humans, animals and goods from one place to another is called transportation. So, some vehicles are run by humans. For example, cycle, rickshaw, bullock cart is driven by animals. Other vehicles are sure to run and move from one place to another. For example, bike, car, truck, train, aeroplane, ship. Fuel is material which burns to produce heat and power. For example, coal and petrol. Vehicles that use petrol and diesel as fuel are bus, car, truck, ship and aeroplane. Some vehicles use CNG, compressed natural gas, for transportation from one place to another. For example, auto, bus and car. Auto, bus and car are used CNG. When we see green and yellow auto rickshaw, that means those auto rickshaws are CNG auto rickshaw. And there are also some auto rickshaw. There are also some auto rickshaw. When there are black and yellow auto rickshaw, they are not CNG auto rickshaw. CNG cab. When the cab is yellow in color, we can understand that cab is CNG cab. But when the cab is when the cab is yellow in color, we can understand that it is CNG. But when it is colored like blue, black, like these colors, that means that it is not a CNG cab. Certain other vehicles run on electricity. For example, metro, train, electric ferries, etc. Nowadays, some cars are also battery operated. Fuel-driven vehicles are bad for environment. They pollute environment. Electricity-driven vehicles are environment friendly. Various modes of transport. In village, human and animal driven vehicles are used. For example, bicycle, rickshaw, bullock cart, camel cart. In big cities, the modes of transportation are fuel based. For example, bike, car, truck, cab, auto rickshaw, and bus. Because of the use of fuel-based vehicles, big cities are more polluted than villages. We should walk or use bicycle to go nearby place. And I didn't told you to. Did you revise the chapter? This chapter did you revise transport one? Also revise this one more, and also revise the universe. Did you revise it? I'm going to ask you questions now. The first question. Wait, let me open that page. Yeah. The first question is you should fill in the blanks to write word from the box. We see moon and dash at night. What we see? We see moon and stars at night. Dash clouds bring rain. What color the clouds bring? What is the color of the clouds when it is raining? Is it a dark color or a white color or a light color? Yes, it is dark color. Planets reflect dash that falls on them. We listened about that, how that moon get the light, and also the sun's family when we did that chapter. Yes, planets reflect sunlight that falls on them. Stars are used ball of what? Stars are used ball of fire, but not sun. Dash spins on once around its axis in 24 hours. What is that? Correct! Earth spins once around its axis in 24 hours. How does the sky look in rainy season? Correct. Sky looks hazy and appears grey. What is a planet? Name 4 planets. Correct. Planet is a round object, moves around the sun. Venus, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter. What is a natural satellite of Earth? How long does it take to complete one revolution around the Earth? First tell me, what is the natural satellite of the Earth? Correct. The answer is moon. How long does the moon take to complete one revolution around the Earth? You should know it. I didn't tell you, but still. Correct. It takes 28 days for one revolution. Name 3 main seasons. Correct. Winter, summer, rainy. How long does it take it for the Earth to spin on its own axis? We see it in the 5th question of filling the blanks. Correct. 24 hours. Let's learn one poem. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. Thank you. And if you want to show me your picture of solar system, you can. I also have drawn solar system picture. If you want to see, you can. Look, this is our solar system of universe. And tomorrow's chapter, the next chapter or the next topic of this chapter is space and direction. So I'm going to tell you one song of space and direction, and also you need to just revise the chapter of this, because I'm going to ask you questions of the transport, and also revise the chapter of the the space and direction. Bye bye.